Welcome to my Balanced Literacy unit that is intended to engage students of all literacy backgrounds. The theme of my Balanced Literacy unit is Halloween. Although it is a very unique and somewhat broad topic to engage students in, I personally believe it is a holiday composed of traditions and different creative opportunities that many students can relate to. The standards selected are based off of the state of New Jersey's second and third grade reading level standards. There are opportunities to modify the units to specific students' needs. The course also offers a multitude of diverse literacy activities and opportunities for a community of students from all learning backgrounds to choose from. So first we will engage in a related literature page. This is intended for a diverse group of students who will be engaging in this unit. Therefore, I have included a variety of books to make sure that every student's needs are met. I have included a wide range of reading levels, genres, ELL books, and a selection freedom for children to choose from. Students are given summaries of the books, and some books even have videos that will allow them to view before reading. So by having this diverse collection and students, it will allow for every type of reader to find their perfect read. So now moving on to the shared reading tab. So in the shared reading plan, I include activities based off of the 5 focuses of an emergent reader. These activities are based off the book Spook the Halloween Cat. The first activity focuses on alphabet knowledge. Students will cut out the first letter of a word that they found in the text and recreate their favorite scene based off of the letter. Focus 2 includes phonological awareness, where students will this activity will help students identify similar patterns and sounds in the words by coloring similar words green and the rest of the words red. Focus 3 includes sight words, where students will color appropriate words, sight words, the color that correlates with the word found at the top of the page, revealing a picture of Spook the Cat from the story. I know this isn't Spook the Cat, but it's just an example of what it would look like. The fourth step focuses on students analogizing words. Students will be responsible for connecting the appropriate word and word ending to the picture found throughout the book. Lastly, students will focus on phonics. Students will toss a ball into a cup. Whatever the word's cup ending or the word is, that the students will have to come up with a word that fits the word ending or beginning of the word. All 5 of these focuses will allow students to comfortably and confidently progress through their time as an emergent reader. Similarly, we are moving on to the guided reading plan. The guided reading plan is a great way to connect reading, writing, and critical thinking. This section, based on the book Monster Boy and the Halloween Parade, is broken up into sections to guide students throughout the process of reading and understanding the book, with scaffolding as needed. These steps in the guided reading plan include preparation for reading, reading silently, respond to reading to develop comprehension, review, reread, to explore strategies, and applying the literature, extending reading across the curriculum. In the writing component, students will engage in researching different bullying guidelines and programs that are implemented in school based off of the Monster Boy book. Students will then come up with a visual representation, such as a poster or PowerPoint, with them explaining the effects of bullying. This is just another example of how the theme Halloween, the broad theme of Halloween, can provide a multitude of different lessons to students throughout their reading. And lastly, the last part of the e-tool for writing is my ebook. It is entitled Pat the Cat. I will read it to you really quickly. So this is Pat the Cat. Today is Pat's favorite day. Later there will be a Halloween parade. Something from Pat the Cat's costume is missing. If he does not find it soon, he will be hissing. This is Cammy the cat. She asked Pat, "Where's your hat?" "I think it's over there," he said. Then the 2 cats head for the shed. Pat the Cat found his hat. Pat and Cammy leave for the parade. Thankfully, it was a good day. And then, this book allows for emergent readers to engage in repetition, rhyming, and use of phonograms. Overall, this balanced literacy unit will provide opportunities for students to explore and emerge through their literacy development, all while engaging in the technological aspect of the unit. Thank you for taking the time to visit my Weebly and explore my page.